Hello guys, another day, another unboxing. Today we have Mikrotik RB941 hAP Lite. We're gonna go straight into unboxing and then we're gonna talk about the product. So in the box, first we have the manual, then the router. It looks as any other router. The only difference is the antenna is inside the router, so you don't see any antenna outside. Then we have the power cable. It's a USB, it's a micro USB power cable. Here you can see it comes with 4 ports. This is the power port. Then we have the reset, then the power LEDs, over here we have the USB input, and as you can see you can also mount the router on the wall if you want. So let's come to the specifications. If you are a home user, you don't really need to know all the specifications it has. Just know it has 100 Mbps speed on the Ethernet port and it has near 300 Mbps on the wireless. It comes with 16 MB storage and 32 MB of RAM. On the current recommendation, you should not buy this router because it has 100 Mbps speed. You should buy a gigabit router. That will be better for you. But if you're creating a local Wi-Fi hotspot, this is still usable speed. Let's power up the router. I'm going to connect my desktop to the LAN port. We'll connect the one port later. Now coming over to my desktop, we'll go to the control panel and then network and sharing center. Click on Ethernet details. Then we'll look for the IPv4 default gateway. I'm gonna type the same here and press enter. Now this page will come up. Now this is the basic web view of the router, which comes with default settings. Now we're going to change the Wi-Fi name. We're going to change the country to Australia. If you don't know, Australia has the maximum number of channels, and other settings will keep as it is. On the internet part, this is the WAN settings. I'm going to keep it as automatic. If you have a static IP from your ISP, you can go static. Over here we're going to keep the Wi-Fi password. We're going to apply. We'll wait for some time and I'm going to check on the Wi-Fi. Here as you can see the name. So it's working. You can go to the advanced setting by clicking on the WFIG. We'll go to the wireless. As you can see, everything is already set up from the default. You can also go to the terminal if you know how to work with commands. The best way is to use the Winbox. Now we're going to install the Winbox. Now on the screen, on the connect, you will again put the default gateway IP and click on connect. Now we are connected through the inbox. So for the basic settings, I think that's all you need to know. If you wanna explore, you can explore on the inbox. There is a ocean of things you can do with this router. I'll try to make advanced videos on this router and also maybe a video on how you can make a hotspot. For now, this is it. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.